Ano niyang pugad? Oh, he's asleep?
He's asleep. He's so adorable.
He's eating my hair. Pag ako nakalbo niya.
He's trying to build a nest in your hair there. He's so cute.
Kanina pa niya ako inaano. Tingnan mo. He's eating my hair. Gigigil na siya. Tingnan mo, pulo ka na ako. Kinakain niya yung tigawat ko.
What you doing, Connie?